Alright. So it looks like we're creating a variable named closest enemy. And it's going to be, the variable is going to hold this find to nearest enemy method. So it looks like the enemies all don't have names. Like this one has a name, enemy 1, but these two don't. So we're gonna have to attack the first enemy and then use this variable or this method to attack the other two because they don't have names, but they're enemies. Works for me. Ooh, good grief. Your hero doesn't know the names of these enemies. Use the finest enemy method with your new glasses. Assign the result. Okay. So enemy 1 is this one because they have a name. And we're gonna find the nearest enemy. And then it looks like after that we're defeated. And okay. So it looks like since it doesn't have a name, we're giving them a name by assigning them a variable. So that's going to be enemy 1, this one's going to be enemy 2, and then this one's going to be enemy 3. And it looks like we need to attack them twice in order for them to die. So let's create a variable enemy 3 equals hero, find nearest enemy. And then we are going to attack it. Oh. Enemy 3. Oh, I can't see it's running. Alright.
I see.
Boom, boom. Attack, attack. Oh, they just ran up on me.
Attack.
Oh, who are you? Who is that? Oh, we got that one done.